In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube intro with InVideo AI. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished branded intro you can drop into any video, keeping everything fast, clear, and beginner friendly. Start by heading to the InVideo AI website and signing into your account. On the dashboard, choose Create Video to open the workspace. From here, select the AI video generator. This tool does the heavy lifting, so the clearer your prompt, the better the result. A great example to paste in is create a 5-second YouTube intro, modern, clean, with logo reveal, energetic music, minimal style. That tells the AI your target length, vibe, and the key moment you want to feature. When you're happy with the wording, click Generate and let the system build the first version. After a moment, you'll have a draft intro ready to refine. Next, customize it so it truly feels like your brand. Update the on-screen text to match your channel name, and set colors that reflect your palette, using the exact hex codes if you have them. Choose fonts that are consistent with your thumbnails and titles for instant recognition. Adjust animations so they feel snappy, not distracting. Smooth fades or quick slides often work best for short intros. Now add your logo. Upload a high-quality PNG with a transparent background for the cleanest result. Position it so it's clearly visible and not cramped near the edges. Apply a simple entrance animation, fade, zoom, or slide, and time it to land on a beat in the music if possible. That small sync makes the intro feel intentional and professional. For background music, open the music section and pick a short, energetic track that matches your tone. Instrumentals usually play better under visuals. Lower the volume so it supports the visuals without overpowering any voiceover you may add later. Catchy is good, loud is not. Keep the total length tight, ideally between 3 and 7 seconds. If the draft runs long, trim clips or shorten animations until it hits the sweet spot. Short intros help retention and reduce viewer drop-off. Before exporting, confirm the aspect ratio is 16.9, which is standard for YouTube, and set the resolution to 1080p for crisp quality. Preview to ensure nothing important sits too close to the frame edges. When you're ready, click Export, choose 1080p, and download the file. In your